sink. Had too many drinks that I can't think my eyes won't blink. Shots on shots on shots. What? Fast on fast on fast.
Hi.
Hi.
You're watching Angie's vlog. Everywhere you look, everywhere it's a park, it's a park, it's a book. I don't want to be a part of your vlog anymore. Your vlog is canceled.
Hey guys, this is Angie's vlog. What do you say in your intro?
I don't know.
I'm the intro, so leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, that's it. You're welcome.
Impressive.
You just got like 5 new subscribers. Thank you.
Hey vlog.
A, B, C.
That's me.
No one fucking cares, David. No.
Yeah, your vloggies care.
I didn't upload the other day because
Hey.
I didn't have enough footage.
Can it be an intro?
My vlog.
Can it be
My YouTube channel. Cause you're in it.
Can it be an intro?
He's not in it a lot, but he's in there. Yeah.
Can
He doesn't do it.
What should I say? Hi.
I'm gonna include the part you asking me if you can be my intro.
Hi, I'm David and welcome. Good luck. Hi, I'm David and you're watching Disney Channel. No, don't ask me. Why?
Hello, my name is Alexis and you're watching Disney Channel.
Hi, vlog.
Stay hydrated. Thank you. Shut the fuck up.
What's your opinion on hairless cats? Go.
They look like ball sacks.
I love them, and 9 hairless cats.
Oh my god, they're fucking disgusting. Oh, they're scary.
You're
Sometimes
gay.
They look like pussies sometimes.
I think they look like hairless dicks, but okay.
Bruh.
They look like pussy, huh?
I feel like my thoughts on it is you take the cat and you put it in like some sort of batter and you fry it.
They're beautiful, and I love them.
Just like you.
Really ugly, but I mean I guess they're cute because Angie likes them, so I guess I like them. And they look like they feel like skin.
They look like raw chicken.
I love them.
You lied.
Don't bark, so I'm not. No, they do bark. And
They do bark.
They do. And they don't mow my lawn, so I don't like them.
That's seriously. You look like one. Hairless cats, they're okay. If I saw one, I probably would get scared. But they're cute, like on pictures. I've never seen one in real life.
Hairless cats, they're kind of cute. You're basically a hairless cat, so. And I think you're really cute, so.
No, honestly, like we're all basically hairless cats. Like we're all hairless. Like you're a hairless cat, but you have like a little bit of like mohawk.
Mohawk, like just
I'm gonna look at don't look at Hillary.
that.
Hillary's coming. No one likes her, but she bought me Cheetos, so I guess we like her
Was she
now.
funny because of her
The
new
debate
page?
is whether humans are like hairless cats.
Do you think humans are like hairless cats?
No.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we share more DNA with them.
Hey, do you think we're like hairless cats?
Not me, because I'm really hairy.
So if you suck dick and hairless cats look like hairless dicks, do people suck hairless cats?
Why do you look like that?
Hey, Emily, consider your ass 8.
Hey, Lemo.
Are you recording? Actually, go get it! Oh no!
I thought the white boy was gonna get it for me, so I kept looking at it.
What are those people shorts?
Alex is going bald.
Hold this out of his head.
Oh. Just shoot it. Shoot.
No, don't!
Did
Get that?
But I think
No, Karina and I out here be baboos.
So,
No. No. Do you want to be in it?
subscribe to my YouTube channel. 123 I love Roblox. Minecraft gaming.
I'm Kyla, and I can't believe Angie never cooked that.
I'm sick. Stop.
So Yubeli's the real one, and she brought us tacos, you know, from her house, because her mom bought 20 tacos yesterday, so I told her to bring me a taco, and she brought 3.
Get that shit out of my face. I haven't signed my media release from yet.
I was just gonna ask you about our boyfriend that isn't our boyfriend.
Oh, bro. He's so cute.
The video I sent you of him?
Oh, I didn't see it because I didn't have him. But I saw him later and I was like,
Jaya, you're like.
Okay.
I'm so gay! My phone's at 7. She sat on me. That's homosexual.
I like it.
Gay is okay.
I mean, I'm okay with it. Should I scream?
I want to die.